fam, we're back here. Thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. I already apologize for the noise that's going to be coming, so bear with me. So this is what I was working on today. As you know, still working on the pipes right here. Got these nice and I don't even remember what part I had done yesterday. I don't think I had this in yesterday, but I got all these strapped down. Me and my coworker were working on this, working with a pretty new apprentice, I assume. So he doesn't know too much. So I just have to get used to that. But anyways, turned out pretty good so far, not too bad. Got 320 feet going down the line. So I got four inchers. Still have to go with these, turn these 3 up later, and then turn these 2 over with a 22 or whatever. So those will be sitting on the edge right here, because there's some plumbing stuff down there that I need to stay out of the way of. So got each one of these is a 10-foot stick, and then I got 4 runs, and we did 80 feet. So 80 feet times 4 is 320. Someone is doing something behind me, but anyways, this is what it looks like right here. They're just going all the way down here, all the way down to here, and going down here. Also hung some of the racks, some of the missing racks, if you remember. I think it was the 4th one and the 6th one. So I got those up. So that going down there. Most of the couplings line up pretty well for the most part, just because they're all the same distance. Sorry for the wind noise if there's some wind coming in, but for the most part these line up for the most part. I already said that. And then right here it flips. So it goes from being strapped on the underside, and then it flips over to sitting on the rack. So that way, I don't know really why they want to do that, just because it was super tall over there, and then over here we have plenty of room, so we just I don't know why they want to do it, but it makes it easier for me and my coworker. So basically have to sit the pipe on top of the rack now instead of having to hold it up and strap it at the same time. So it's nice that we can just set the pipe up there, scoot it in there, and then that helps out. So got all the way down to here. Just have to put these straps on and mark that. So basically we got the mark right there, so that's from the ceiling from the laser from yesterday. And then I measure over 55 and a quarter, and then I measure off and just keeping the same distance that is coming out of the hole over there. So the pipes are 7.5 inches apart, 6 1/4, and then 6 7/8. So that's from center to center, and just keeping it the same all the way down. So I just got to make those marks over here, strap these down. If you didn't see, I got the pipe straps right there, just a one piece EMT 4-inch strap. And then, yeah, so that's where I left off. You got to do those right there, and then I got that tightened together, and then also have to strap that, and then it's just sitting right there. So that's what I was working on. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. So yeah, some pretty basic stuff right there, but it turned out pretty good for the most part, so not too bad. And really fast day, really enjoyable, in a good mood, all that good stuff. So very happy about that. So blessed. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the rest of the channel. If there's anything else you want to look at, feel free to browse. And if you enjoy the video, make sure to hit like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Hopefully see you guys back here soon tomorrow. And yeah, if you're interested and be notified when I upload new videos or do live streams, hit the notification bell, and check the description for anything else, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out. God bless.